All right, YouTube. Matt M. Roy back once again, about 3 o'clock on August the 5th, 2021. Oh my goodness, I'm eating a salad and I think I had a little piece of a pickled beet on me. Decided to do a little bit of a vlog today. I'm going to be heading down to Virginia Beach here in about a half an hour to pick up a load of computers. Now, these are older systems. They're not like really high-end. Most of them are custom PCs. I think there were a couple HPs and stuff in there, but it's 8 towers and it's, I think, 3 monitors, and the guy only wants $80, so it's a really, really good deal. Might stop at a few thrift stores while I'm down there. I know you guys haven't seen too much from me lately. I really just haven't had that much to film. A lot of what I'm doing is handing out flyers and just refurbishing the computers, and all you out there have seen me do that so many times. I don't want to get repetitive on the channel. But other than that, we'll see what else happens. I'm definitely not going to rush to get back because traffic coming back from Virginia Beach by the time I'm done loading these computers is going to be a bear. So maybe, like I said, I'll hit up some thrift stores. We'll see what happens. Mom's going to take a ride with me. We were going to take a bike ride today, but she kind of overdid it yesterday, so she's trying to take it easy. I actually have to feed the cats right now because they are bugging Mom and me. It's a little bit late. I try to feed them around 2 p.m., but I was out handing out flyers and time just got away from me. So I'm going to pause this, see what the rest of the day brings, talk to everybody on the flip side. All right, so before I go, I'll show you guys Milo. Hey, buddy, what you doing? One of his favorite things is to sit here, and he looks outside for the squirrels. He loves looking at the squirrels, don't you, buddy? Don't you, Mr. Milo? Yeah, he's still a terror. I actually need to brush him because his fur's getting really matted. He has a little bit of Persian in him, so if I don't take care of that, it's just going to really clump up. So guess what, Milo? Tonight, you are going to be getting brushed. Just a quick side note. I went into Walmart today, and Walmart, at least the ones in my area, they actually have a section where they have food that is on clearance, stuff that they're not going to be carrying anymore. And I picked this up. You guys know I love my oatmeal. This is a really, really good oatmeal. What is actually the brand name? They're covering it. Let me see if I can find it on the back here. Ernest Eats, and I got 2 different flavors. This is the Mighty Maple, and then this one is the Apple, Cinnamon, and Flax. Now, one thing you want to look for with anything oat-based, there's 2 things, and this has them both. Gluten-free and non-GMO, because most oatmeal has gluten in it, and if you have celiac disease or if you have like gluten allergies, a lot of people out there are allergic to gluten, so this is a great option. And the other one is non-GMO. A lot of oatmeals out there and a lot of grains in general are genetically modified, so they're not as good for you. They contain like glyphosate, which is like a pesticide. But if you look at the ingredients here, we have gluten-free whole rolled oats, grass-fed whey, protein isolate, light brown sugar, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, quinoa flakes, puffed amaranth, cinnamon natural extract, sea salt, and Janadin BC30 probiotics. So nothing in here that's really questionable. And then one thing I like is you can cook this in the microwave or on the stove. So not the cheapest things in the world. Even when they're clearance, you're paying almost $3 each, and that's only for 6 packs. But if you're trying to eat healthy, this is definitely a great option. All right, everybody, about to head out. Whew. Can't forget, got to shut the garage door here. Dad went out to Dairy Queen earlier, so he wanted to leave that open, but since we're leaving, yeah, I don't want anybody sneaking in there and trying to take any of our classic cars. Ha 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 ha. But if you look over here, I've actually been very busy handing out tons of flyers. Oh, and I actually found this on garbage day. I need to pull this thing out real quick too. This is a speaker box with some JBL speakers in there. I have no idea if it works. I'll have to try it later, but these are all the flyers I've been handing out recently. This is just one big bag of them, and the cool thing is people have been really receptive to this lately. So basically I just put these on people's front doors, sometimes on the garage door handles. And what you want to do is, if you're trying to hand out flyers, make sure you get very colorful paper like that, because from a distance you can really see how it pops out. So if for some reason it falls and they don't see it on the door, they'll see it on the ground. And that's a comment that I actually got from someone. So let me clean this out, and we're going to head down to Virginia Beach and show everybody what I got. Talk to you on the flip side. All right, everybody. 3:45 right now. We're stuck in pre-downtown tunnel traffic. Apparently there's an accident, but the good news is it's not in the tunnel. It's before you get into the tunnel. So probably going to be a little bit later than I thought, but that's okay. The gentleman said that he was going to be there till about 6 today. Apparently it's a church, so they say. So I might throw him a few extra dollars if I know it's going to go to a good cause, maybe going to the church itself. But Mom's here. You want to say hi?
Hello, hello.
It's about the best I could do right now. I'm using one of these suction cup mounts that is a little janky. I gotta buy another one. Incidentally, while I'm here, I'll tell you a quick story. What actually killed my other cell phone, because most of you guys know by now I had to replace my very well-loved Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with this Samsung Galaxy A52. I got one of these magnet suction cup mounts. You put one magnet behind the battery compartment, and the other one attaches to is actually attached to the mount, so it mounts up. It's magnetized. Well, what wound up happening was the magnet interfered with the circuitry in the phone. I was actually able to get the phone working again about a week after this happened, so now I have an extra phone. I have two that work. But just as an FYI for you out there, I bought two of these, and I don't remember the name of the brand, but it was sold at Staples. Be very careful, because modern cell phones are so intricate when it comes to their circuitry that you can easily damage it, especially with a magnet. So stay away from those magnetized mounts. I would say go with something that has a clamp like this one does. All right, I'm going to pause this because I know I'm going to yammer on a little bit too much, and we'll talk to you probably when I pick up these computers. All right, everybody, just arrived. It's 4:12. You want to know something funny? We have actually gotten computers from this church before. I know we have.
Yeah, it looks familiar to me too.
It's the Mission Church, they call it here on Witch Duck Road. So I'm going to head inside. Maybe they have some other stuff I'm going to be able to get, but we'll see what happens. And I'll probably show you guys the computers when we get back home. I was going to go to some thrift stores today, but I don't think we're going to do that because we're trying to beat the traffic home. So we'll figure it out and talk to everybody a little bit later. All right, everybody. So apparently I have to, maybe park around the front. I'm trying to meet this person. So let's see what we got going on here. It's actually a really nice day for this. So this is the Mission Academy. She said that the church is on the front side. I may have to go back and get my mask. I don't know if they're requiring that or not. Hey, let me get my mask from you real quick. I think it's in the console.
Why is it here? What is that?
Oh, I think I left the headlights on. See if you can turn it off. It's on the other side.
They are.
Oh, I'll grab them.
All right, thanks.
We go through the tunnel here. You got to turn your headlights on. So let me figure out what's going on here and talk to you guys in a few. Funny enough, the lady says it's going to be a minute. She was actually filming a video too. Talk to you guys on the flip side. All right, so I think I figured it out here. Let me see if this is the right entrance. They're requiring masks again because a Delta variant of the dreaded you-know-what is really making a comeback. So let me see if this is the right area or not. Yep, looks like it is. Let me see if I can come in here. That's really nice. I like to see a church that is not shy about displaying the American flag. Too many of them are these days. They'll fly the denominational flag, but they don't always fly the American flag. I like that. Mission Church, filming a video. We're doing it for YouTube or?
No, our church announcement videos.
Oh, okay. I do vlogs, so I'm just kind of filming myself. Is that okay?
Okay.
I won't film anybody. So what's the story? Are these like were they ones that the school?
At some point, the church, all the church staff had desktop computers. We don't use them anymore.
Oh, okay.
So
Let's see what you got. I might take a look. Is there any other equipment you have that maybe you didn't get a chance to list yet,
I
or?
have this projector screen. I'll let go for pretty cheap. It's a motorized screen that we just again we don't use anymore. So.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Let me take a look real quick.
Have a couple different VGA monitors. I think this one is pretty cool. It has a couple of different SDI inputs as well, video inputs,
Oh yeah.
like for security cameras and stuff like that.
Oh cool. So these are the systems right here.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
every computer you see in here. Good to go.
All right. Awesome.
I removed all the hard drives and then I have like a network
Some
switch.
network switches and stuff. I think I'm good there. Yeah, let me pay you. I'm definitely gonna get them. You said 80 for the lot,
80 for
basically. Okay. All right. Yeah. Sold. All right, everybody. Just finished picking up the computers. Heading back home. We were gonna originally stop at some of the thrift stores, but it's kind of
Continue straight for 7 minutes to I-264 West.
You guys can hear the GPS there. So we're actually just going to head home. I really don't need to get anything at the thrift stores, but this wound up being a really good deal for $80, and I'll show you all what I picked up when we get home. A bunch of Windows 7 systems, custom built, and there's a Lenovo, an old school Lenovo with a Pentium 4, which I might be able to throw a Core 2 in. These are all going to be like budget-based systems, but this is what you got to do nowadays. A lot of people cannot afford the higher-end computers with all the SSDs and the extra memory, so I'm going to try to refurbish these. Maybe just throw in like a 500 gig or a 1 terabyte conventional hard drive and bust them out for like 150, 160 a piece. So we're going to pause this. I really don't like vlogging anymore. I know you guys used to watch me vlog and drive all the time, but people are just totally crazy now. So go ahead and pause this. Traffic, thank the Lord, is not bad, and I'll talk to you when we get back home. So I'm here at the local CHKD, stopped on the way back. Couple items here, got a keyboard, and I'm also looking at some monitors. So let me show you guys what they got real quick. All right, everybody, so got a couple monitors here. I think I'm going to snag this Samsung. This is I don't even know what this is. This is a 22-inch. So with the discount today, they'll be like 15 bucks. So I'm going to try that one out. There's a Samsung here. I don't know if that's the same size or not. That actually might be a TV. Hang on a second. Let me see. Oh, no, that's a monitor too. Except that's VGA only. I'll have to think on that one. But they got a few interesting items here. Oh, I saw this one. Believe it or not, I think I actually have a match for this monitor at home. This is an HP S2031, so that's definitely coming with me. It's got a little bit of a scratch here, but I'm not worried about it. I have a trick that I'll show you later on how to get those out. But for, let's say 15 bucks, that's a great deal. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you on the flip side. All right, everybody, so I'm back home, and I promised I'd show you some of these computers. I can almost guarantee you some of these are going to be the subject of a future vlog or live stream. I haven't really decided yet, but the reason I picked this up is I honestly thought some of these were really cool. Like, to give you an example, this is a Slimline Cooler Master case. Kind of reminds me of the monorail systems. Got some kind of light scribe DVD burner. I think that's a Samsung drive. Trying to hide the product key there. It's got an Athlon 2 of some type in there. None of these are really high-end systems, but for $80, I got all these computers, plus a few monitors. I thought that was really cool. This has got some interesting ports here. This has actually got eSATA. which you really don't find very much anymore. Another, I'm not even sure what this case is. It says Asus. I think this is another Cooler Master case. But for the most part, these are probably, if I had to guess, maybe mid to late 2000s systems, maybe up to like 2011. Got an HP right there, Pavilion. That's got a Vista sticker on it, of all things. Another system here. This one's missing, it appears, the front cover on there. Another Cooler Master case. Dell Optiplex. This was a real cool one, I thought. This was an old IBM Think Center running some type of Pentium 4. Believe it or not, you can actually upgrade these. You can put Core 2 Duos in there. And as UXW Bill would say, it's actually got a true computer because it's got a real floppy drive in it. Another Cooler Master case like that other one. So I'd have to think that this is also probably some type of AMD CPU. And then another one of these. So I'm going to end the vlog here for today. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I picked up here. Wow, I just noticed that. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's for a 3.5-inch drive. I've never seen one that opens and closes like that. It's actually really, really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this quicker vlog. Please continue to like and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day, everybody.